Hey everyone, in this video I am going to tell you that how to create new suppliers in Pandle software as well as how to import the suppliers in Pandle software. Okay, so just click on option of supplier. So here you will get option of new, and from here you can create new suppliers as well as you can import the suppliers. Same way you can also find a different option here, like if you want to export the CSV, then you can change the display and all fine. Now let's talk about how to create supplier manually. You have to just click here, so you will get this kind of display. Now you have to enter the basic detail of that particular supplier one by one. So I'm just entering X1 store, and you have to enter the supplier reference. Okay, now in default category you have to choose a nominal here. Okay, so this one is default. You can also change at the time of creating bills and credit notes, fine. Okay, so you have to select the category same way. This one is also mandatory field, so you have to enter the payment terms here, fine. Same when contact details, I am not going to enter any detail as of now. Okay, so just click on save supplier. Okay, so you can see our supplier has been saved. So from here you can create new invoice. Same way you can also edit that particular supplier from here, and you can delete the supplier from here, fine. Once you click on edit, you will get the same window again. Okay, so if you want to make any kind of modification, you can make it here easily. Okay, so in this way we can create supplier manually. Now let's see how to import the supplier. Just click on imports. Fine. So you have to write the description, then you in type you have to select the supplier import. And these are the columns which you are going to add in CSV file in this way. Okay. So I have entered the name, category and day to pay. Okay. So these three fields are mandatory fields. So you have to enter these three fields in your CSV. Okay. Now I am going to import a particular CSV file here. Okay. Okay, so you can see our file has been imported successfully, and now you can see the timing and all. Now you have to check and confirm those particular suppliers from here. Same way you can also delete and export the suppliers. Okay, so you can see here uh, in display name you can see the name of that particular supplier, then default category and days to pay. Now if you want to make any kind of modification, you can do it from here, but I am just selecting both supplier and just click on confirm checked suppliers. Okay, I want to create suppliers, so I have to select those particular supplier and I have to confirm. So you can see our supplier has been created successfully. Once I again come into the supplier options, you can see three suppliers here. Okay, Bookers Limited, Jenai Store and X1 Store. Now in same way you can delete the supplier from here in this way, fine. Okay, so in this way we can create new suppliers as well as we can import the suppliers in Pandle software. Okay, so you have to just keep in mind regarding the columns of that particular CSV file. Okay, fine, and you have to save that particular file in CSV format. You have to select CSV comma delimited. Okay, fine. So this is for today. Thanks for watching. Kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.